In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change Facebook theme on mobile, including Facebook app and Facebook Messenger for Android and iOS. Firstly, you gotta open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Tap on the hamburger menu in the top right or bottom corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings and tap on Dark Mode. Choose On to activate dark mode or use system settings to have it follow your device's theme settings. To do it on Facebook Messenger, open the Facebook Messenger app. Then tap on the conversation you want to change the theme for. Next, tap on the recipient's eye icon, information icon at the top right corner of the chat, and select Theme. Choose the desired theme from the options available, and then tap on Select to apply the theme to the conversation. And these steps should help you customize the theme of your Facebook and Messenger experiences. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.